guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Okay, so today guys, I'm here to recreate Kim Kardashian's makeup. I saw Kyra, one of the YouTubers, recreate this look, so I was like, oh my gosh, this is really adorable. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give this a try. So this is my first time recreating somebody's makeup look, so I hope you guys like it. I'm going to try as much as I can to nail it. You know, Kim K's makeup is always on point, so I will try. So let's get right into it. I'm excited. Alright guys, so my face is freshly washed and I'm going to be using my moisturizer. I use this Ganier moisturizer. It's the broad spectrum SPF 30, so I'm going to be doing that. And for my primer, guys, I'll be using the M.A.C Prep and Prime. So just apply that all over as well. So I have this fan, guys, that I got from Amazon. This is a game changer, guys. This has been helping my concealer, you know, dry. So if you have dark spots that just don't want to do anything, just don't want to work with you, this technique is working. Try using concealer before you do anything, like you do your eyes or your foundation and everything. And then I also like to use concealer on my mouth, you know, my dark areas right here. So I like to do that before anything else. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows for this look. I'm using this dark brown eye pencil that I got from Amazon, and you know, it's dark brown. It's really nice. I like this. I like the way it makes my eyebrows look. I like the way she does her eyebrows. You know, I'm just gonna try to recreate it as much as I can. To clean up my brows, I'm just going to be using LA Girl Pro Concealer Warm Honey. I like to clean up my brows with something not too light. So I'm going to start with the Vulgar eyeshadow base. Just apply a little bit like this. Using my finger, you know. I'll be using my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm going to be using this burnt orange right here. And I'm just using this fluffy brush that I got from the palette. So just take a little bit, because she almost looks like she doesn't have anything on, so that's what I'm trying to create. Like really nude, subtle, you know. I like how she usually has like nudes with like a bright, you know, blush, and then it just makes everything like subtle, you know. It's like so cute. And then this brush comes with, you know, this fluffy side, and then this is like a little flat, you know. So I'm just going to take this side as well and use the color Fairy right here. And then I'll just go back with my blunt orange and just blend everything out, because I don't want it to be like really harsh, so I'll just blend everything out. Alright, so I'm gonna go back with my Fairy and then just, you know, highlight my brows a little bit, because I think she has like just like that. And then I'm gonna be using my Better Than Sex eyeliner. So I'm going to be making a wing. So she looks like she has like a really small wing starting from there, and then it gets bigger over on the other side. Went ahead and did my lashes. I'm going to be using my Too Faced foundation, Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation, and this is Pecan. So this, I find that this is a little darker for me. So what I do is I mix this with the Butterscotch concealer. So I like the coverage. Apply a little bit on my beauty blender, and then I'll dab on my face, and then I'm just going to dab a little bit of the concealer, you know, just a little. And then I'm just going to start, you know, blending everything together. See guys how this comes together when I have those two colors. I like the way my skin looks. I like the way it gives me like a full coverage, you know. It makes my skin really warm. I'm going to be using the Instant Age Rewind concealer. And I'll just apply that. And I'm gonna highlight right there too. Her chin looks really good. And then just a little bit right there. She doesn't look like she has too much. I'm going to be using this NYX in Mocha. Okay, so her contour game is strong. And I'm just going to start with my nose and just, you know, going up towards my brow bone, because her nose is snatched on this picture. Snatched nose, honey, yes. I think it's coming along pretty good. Kim's look is like really flawless, so I'm trying to get there, guys. And just a little bit on her forehead. And then I'm just going to go back with my brush and just, you know, contour that. To set my highlight, I'm just going to be using the Sacha Buttercup. I love this one, guys. I'm just going to take my M.A.C Mineralize Skinfinish powder in dark, and then I'm just going to, you know, blend everything together. And for my blush, guys, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Apricot in the Act Blush Duo, and she looks like she has it all the way to the top right there, like to her real cheeks, cheeky cheeks. So that's where I'm gonna go and go ahead and do that. Just going to be using this Essentials Violet Voss palette, and I'm going to be taking the cinnamon color and use this under my waterline. And then I'm just going to go back with my Anastasia, the Fairy, and just go in on my inner corners right here. And just a little bit, guys. She doesn't have that much, but you know, I like doing that. For my mascara, I'll be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'll just apply those on my bottom lashes as well as my top lashes, you know, just to blend everything out. Her bottom lashes are really long, mine are very short, so just gonna try. Apply those on my top lashes as well. I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay setting spray, guys. I'm going to be using the KKW Nude Lip Liner in number 2, as well as the Kylie Lip Liner in Coconut. So I'm going to be mixing this together. And then for the lipstick as well, I'll be using KKW in 2.5, that's the nude, as well as Kylie's Truffle. Alright, I'll start with the KKW and just line my lips. And then I'm going to use the Kylie as well. Just like in here, because it's a little lighter. And then for the lipstick, I'll start with the Kylie Truffle. So just like in the outer corners right here. And then I'll go in with my KKW. I'm just gonna go back with my little, you know, so I like how the line it like really shows. Then I just use like a little paper towel so I don't have that harsh line, you know. Alright guys, this is how the makeup came out. I am so in love, guys. This is so cute. Thank you, Kyra, for inspiring me to do this, to recreate this Kim Kardashian look. I feel like it looks really nice. Let me know if you guys wanna see me recreate other looks as well, but for this time, this is it. Bible, this is really cute. Bible. Oh my gosh. Courtney. Court. Rob, what you doing? Courtney, stop. Oh my gosh, you know, Kim always comes through with the makeup. I think I try to nail her as much as I can. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I had fun. This is fun, 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 guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, toodles.